Alright, what's up everybody? It's another day. Today I'm gonna go drop off Anthony's diffuser. And the reason why I'm going over there is because his trunk, he put it in, but we didn't put in the latch, and if he drives the way it is now, it'll hop around and the carbon fiber will get messed up. So anyway, I'm gonna go over there, check that out. But first, I got a lot of things to do today. I gotta go get some tires swapped, and we'll see. So yeah, we'll see how that goes. Okay, guys. So, hey, buddy. Winter Jam is in 2 days or 3 days. Today is Wednesday. It's on Saturday and Sunday. Unfortunately, I won't be able to go both days because I don't know, I don't have enough tires and money to stay over the night, but whatever. I'm just gonna go for 1 day. So I made a little list of all the things I have to do. Hey buddy, I'll be back. Of all the things I have to do before Winter Jam. So we'll see how that goes. I'll try to document everything that I have to do, but here. That's a big list, man. Yeah. Start doing things one by one. Alright, I got Anthony's diffuser up in the back. And I'm gonna go over to his house right now and see what's up with that trunk. Alright. I got a new little camera, dude. Look at this. Yeah, dude, but look at this. Yeah, I'm not even gonna say anything. It's so nice.
I remember the day you called me to talk to me about it.
Guys, so me and Anthony just fabbed up this trunk latch on his carbon fiber trunk from one of those Saturns. It's not OEM, but dude, it works very well. And we have this little puller to open it. Close it. And then open it. Dude, it works. Right? Success.
Surprise.
Yeah. Alright, boys, I'm gonna be out.
Alright, mate.
Nice seeing you, man. Nice seeing you, bro. Nice ride. Congratulations. She's
Oh
pretty.
yeah, next time we'll see you at the track, you know?
Alright, have fun, dude. Have fun getting ready. Have fun getting ready. We'll see you at the track.
3 more days.
Got my tires. Picked them up. Just some of them I had to get done, just so I have them out of the way. Now I'm just heading home. I don't know if there's anything else I gotta do. I gotta check my list, man. See if I can cross anything off. Well, damn. I couldn't cross anything off the list today. But it's okay. I still feel like I got a lot done. That's it for today, I guess. My day's pretty much done. Got a lot done today. And yeah, we'll see you next time. Peace.